Hey there beauties, welcome back to Council Craft. Today I'm showing you how to achieve that perfect no makeup look. This routine is ideal for office days, school, or just when you want to look effortlessly fresh. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, skincare. Your natural makeup look begins with well-prepped skin. Start by cleansing according to your skin type. For oily skin, a gentle foaming or gel cleanser is your best friend. Dry skin? Opt for a hydrating cream cleanser. And for my sensitive skin beauties, a fragrance-free, calming cleanser is the way to go. I love using Best Cleanser Name. It cleanses without stripping my skin. Next, hydrate and moisturize. A hydrating serum like hyaluronic acid plumps up the skin beautifully. Follow with a lightweight moisturizer to lock in that hydration. My go-to is Best Hydrating Serum and Moisturizer Name. It keeps my skin looking plump and radiant. Now apply a hydrating primer. This step helps your makeup grip while keeping your skin dewy and fresh. I recommend Best Hydrating Primer Name. It adds a gorgeous glow and extends the wear of your makeup. Alright, makeup time. Start with a tinted moisturizer or serum foundation. Use a sheer lightweight base for that your skin but better effect. Blend it with your fingers for a natural, seamless finish. I swear by Best Tinted Moisturizer Serum Foundation Name. It's hydrating, breathable, and looks just like skin. Next, use concealer only where needed. Lightly apply under your eyes, around your nose, and on any blemishes. Blend with a sponge or fingers to keep things seamless. Best Lightweight Concealer Name is perfect for this. Crease-proof and natural looking. Add some cream blush and a bit of highlighter. Cream blush melts into your skin for a healthy, natural flush. A liquid or cream highlighter will add a subtle glow to the high points of your face. I love Best Cream Blush and Highlighter Name. Dewy, blendable, and natural. Lightly fill in your brows with a brow gel. Use a tinted brow gel for that soft, fluffy brow look. Best Brow Gel Name is a must-have. It keeps brows natural yet defined. Curl your lashes and apply clear or brown mascara. Curling opens up your eyes and clear mascara gives a natural hold. If you prefer a bit more definition, go for brown mascara. My fave is Best Clear Brown Mascara Name. Lightweight and non-clumpy. Finally, finish with a lip tint or nude gloss. A sheer lip tint enhances your natural lip color. A hydrating gloss gives that fresh, youthful effect. I adore Best Lip Tint Gloss Name. Moisturizing and non-sticky. And that's it, your effortless no makeup look. It's lightweight, fresh, and enhances your natural beauty. What's your favorite go-to product for a natural look? Let me know in the comments. Oh, and here's a bonus tip. Use a hydrating setting spray to lock in the glow and keep your skin looking fresh all day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time. Bye.